just wanted to show you how to add images to your website. And you can do that by going to Add, Image, and then My Uploads. I've uploaded some here already. And then you go Upload Media. I would recommend uploading it either from your computer, from your Google Drive, or from your Dropbox. I wouldn't recommend doing it from Facebook or Instagram because they might be lower quality images that might not look the best. So when you make a website and when you have people visiting it, you want them to see your best kind of images, your best quality, but also you don't want your visitors to have to wait a long time for the photos to load. So what you need to do then is something called image optimization. But what Wix does really well is if you kind of follow its instructions, it looks at your picture and it has an algorithm to show your picture in the best light. For instance, if someone visits your website on their phone, it will work out the algorithm to show your pictures in the best quality. So Wix say that if you follow these steps, your images will be optimized automatically. So the first thing is you need to have a resolution of at least 3000 pixels on the shortest side of your picture. So for a portrait picture, this will be the width. So if you go onto Photoshop, image size, the width here, see, it's meant to be at least 3000 pixels and mine is 4430, so that's okay. And it also has to be a maximum of 50 megabytes and a quality of 11 or more. So I'm just going to click Save As. And here's the quality. And this also tells you the megabytes as well. So you want your quality to be 11 or more, your maximum size to be 15, and the resolution to be at least 3000 pixels, but you can go over. Now, just to recap how you upload your images after you've made sure they fit the criteria that Wix wants, you go to Add, Image, My Uploads, and then Upload Media, Upload from computer, and then I'm going to find the folder, and then I'm going to open these. And it depends on how big your files are, how good your internet is, but they should take a few minutes to upload all of them.